Black Moon Lilith aspect, unveiling the power of the shadow. Self often seen as our shadow. Self Black Moon Lilith speak to our hidden desires, the unspoken but intense, intact, and the almost irritation and unsolved anger. When Lilith from aspect with other planet in the natal chart intentionally shape the Aries war, we experience both personal challenge and have a scope for incredible empowerment. Here's a clock look at some key Lilith aspect and what they reveal. Lilith conjunct Sun. When Lilith is conjunct the Sun in a natal chart, it creates a vehemently strong desire to personalize yourself in a way that would make you respect yourself with no regard for society at large. This respect may bring a rebellious streak where asserting independence is a vital part for the native personal growth. Those people may view their independence as a challenge, and their presentation then become their retreat button. This aspect can be empowering but may also bring struggle with outrage figure or self-experience unity. The personal learn to be able to balance their expense without feeling threatened under the merest world. Lilith conjunct month. Lilith conjunct the moon indicated the darker aspect of your emotional side. This can infinity and feeling even bad ones, making emotional raw, instinctual and something difficult to control. It bring a high-end intentional and the strong sense of self-protection. Effectual when it is come to emotional vulnerability, which may end learning to paranoia. Lilith square Venus. Lilith square Venus create a tension between the desire for love and the decision for societal normal around romance, attraction, and beauty. This aspect may indicate confidence and relationship where desire can easily be measured, stopped, and misinterpreted, often in a way. Native with this aspect may grapple with issue of self-worth or feel torn between vision and stability. Black Moon Lilith aspect, unveiling the power of then astrology. Black Moon Lilith represent the raw, understated part of our facial mirroring themes of desire and repressed emotional, often seen as our shadow self. Black Moon Lilith speaks to our hidden desires, the spectrum but interest, intrigue, and the almost irration and undervalued danger. When Lilith form aspect with other planet in the natal chart, it influences the areas where we experience both personal challenge and have scope for incredible empowerment. Has a close look at some key Lilith aspect and what then reveal. Lilith conjunct Sun. When Lilith is conjunct the Sun in a natal chart, in a create vehemently